What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. Those are words I wasn't sure if I was ever going to say again. I took a little break and I thought about quitting. You might have noticed, you might not have. That's irrelevant. But I kind of thought I was done. For a variety of reasons I'm not going to get into right now. But the main reason is because I've got a lot of stuff going on in my life right now. A lot of family stuff. I'd say since about maybe last Thanksgiving. It's been a rough road. There's been a lot of ups, a lot of downs. More downs than ups. So I didn't feel like making videos anymore. I felt like if I did, I'd have to put an act on. And you know I always just want to be me. However, there's always been one type of video I love to make. And it's why I started this channel many years ago. And that's road trip videos. And even though I wasn't sure if there was going to be any type of road trip this year with the things going on, we're hitting the road. As you can see, Lola's all packed up. Yeah. The old girl's still kicking. So I'm hitting the road tomorrow morning. And what I'm doing this year is Bobby's going to meet me. We're going to ride down to Tennessee. We're going to do a little over 600 miles tomorrow. We're going to get to Greenville. I'm going to go stay with my buddy John and his wife Dawn. You know him as Rolling Stone on YouTube. Bobby's going to continue on to a hotel. And then he's going to continue on after that to Florida to meet up with some relatives and stay there for a while. And I'm going to spend the week in Tennessee working on my land. So it's not going to be your typical scenic on-the-road moto vlog, but it should be interesting because I'm going to be clearing land mostly myself. There's going to be heavy equipment involved. So believe me, it should be interesting. But that's the plan this year. Before I get on the road, let me just get a couple thank yous out before I forget at the end of this whole trip. Number one, thank you to Bobby, my number one road dog, for understanding that I can't do a complete trip this year and rolling with me tomorrow, and we're going to try and meet up when we're done and ride back to New Jersey at the end of the week. And as always, none of this would be possible without John and his wife Dawn. I said it a million times, I owe them so much for the things they do for me. And like I said, those two give me a little bit more faith in the human race as I go on to hate society and people more and more every day. But enough with that cheery stuff. We're hitting the road tomorrow. And I'm going to take you along. And it should be a fun-filled week. There's going to be some motorcycles involved. And hey, we're going to be in the beautiful state of Tennessee. Oh, now that I own land there, I'm going to kind of be like the locals. And, well, I already told John, once I get down there, close the door behind me. We don't want any more damn Yankees down there. 10 rides, post up at the state line and turn them back. I'm kidding. It's all in good fun. Anyway, hitting the road tomorrow. Lola is all packed up. She's running pretty good. Let's see what this week brings. Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. I'm back for now. Let's hit the road. Look, Bobby's here. Say hi, Bob. Hi, Bob. Right, on the road bright and early. So far, only hit one little traffic jam. We stopped to check the luggage as usual. And as you can see, we're still in dirty Jersey. If you need some Blue Ribbon ice cream, somebody just dropped 2 pallets there, so it's all yours. All right, we'll get back on the road. Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here.
Bye, Bob.
Nothing to see here.
Alright, first gas stop, where are we? Exactly, he doesn't know.
Greaseville?
Mine said Fort Indian Town Gap.
Yeah, that's where we're at.
That's where
Yeah,
we're
that or Greaseville.
Yeah, that or, yeah, we're in Pennsylvania. We'll leave it at that. Rough roads in Pennsylvania. That was a kind of bumpy ride, yeah. Alright, we're going to keep going. Alright, so we had a slight deviation this time from Bob's usual McDonald's. He went someplace fancy today. Yep, he splurged on Wendy's.
Good living.
Alright, we're about 200 miles from Tennessee. No, we're closer than that. We're about 200 miles from where we're going to stop and split up in Tennessee. Alright, so let's hit the road. Alright, well, I'm home. Well, there's no home there yet, but one day there will be. We're gonna take a walk, see what this looks like, and see what kind of work I got ahead of me this week. My neighbor did a lot of cutting for me. Alright, this is where we bid Bob adieu. He's going to visit family down in Florida, and I'm gonna go deal with that mess you just saw. But don't worry, we're gonna meet up at the end of the week and ride home together, probably around Saturday, something like that. So Bob's going to Florida. We'll say bye to Bob. You guys are coming with me, and we're heading over to John's house. So get back to you when we're at John's.
I look out across the water, I smell the song, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got 10
We're at Chateau Stone, but he's hiding from us. I'll get him later. We're not going to put John on camera. Not at all. now we're definitely not putting him on camera.
Butterfly.